interesting thing that you see happening in the industry is that most manufacturers are looking at 3D printing and they're not sure exactly how to use it. And they're looking for how can 3D printing impact the way that we make our products.
When I first got involved here and began to talk to various people, and they would show me different things that are manufactured out of 3D printing, and then they saw the possibilities of the materials that we gave them, you could just see people opening up and realizing that they could change the boundaries of what products are made. And they take our products and they play with them, and they just light up and their faces get excited about the possibilities. And I had never really realized that 3D printing had some boundary conditions on it that limited it, and we were really able to open up those boundary conditions and make it limitless and the things that they can make with our products.
The materials that we produce are going to be the materials of the future, which will allow us to produce parts for many more types of thing which we use every day.
The way I look at the market today is that it's gotten to a certain critical mass, a certain place, but it's just starting to grow. So as much as it's grown today, it's going to grow so much more, and it's really so exciting.
Parts that can be utilized in an application or an assembly that aren't just for looks, but actually work and function the way it's supposed to work. It's really a radical change in the way that 3D printing will be utilized in manufacturing processes going forward.